The Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro are now here, and many of us are wondering how we might get our hands on them. The two new phones were introduced with the Pixel Watch 2 during Google's Made by Google hardware event on October 4th, and both devices were made immediately available for pre-order. The Pixel 8 is priced at $699, while the Pixel 8 Pro is priced at $999. Fortunately, most carriers provide a few trade-in incentives that you may take advantage of here. Or, if you're quick enough, you can receive the $349 Pixel Watch 2 for free. Beginning October 12th, both devices and cases will be available via the Google Store and the company's retail partners. Google hasn't wasted any time in making its new devices accessible for purchase. Pre-orders for both devices begin on launch day, Wednesday, October 4th, with general availability beginning little over a week later, Thursday, October 12th. Google seems to have mastered the method by now, since this is precisely what the firm accomplished with the Pixel 7 last year. So, what are you waiting for if you're in the market for a Pixel upgrade? All major carriers support the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Here's all you need to know about obtaining them. The complete pricing for Google's new models is now out, thanks to the official release of both devices. The Pixel 8 is priced at $699, while the Pixel 8 Pro is priced at $999. In both cases, you receive 128 GB of storage. If you want to go up to 256 GB, the Pixel 8 Pro will set you back $1,059, while the regular model will set you back $759. The Pixel 8 Pro, on the other hand, can go much higher. If you increase the storage to 512 GB, the price rises to $1,119, while 1 TB costs $1,219. There are various reasons why you should pre-order the devices, since the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro seem to be the greatest phones Google has ever developed. To obtain our first impressions of the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, see our hands-on reviews here and here. First and foremost, both the ordinary and Pro versions are powered by Google's new Tensor G3 engine, which gives them a significant performance jump over predecessors. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.